Hello and welcome to A Better Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to fix printer connectivity issues. I know how frustrating it can be when your printer isn't working, so I'm here to help fix it quickly and easily. Hang out till the end to see all the options for fixing your printer. The first thing you want to do is check your computer's network connection. You can do this by clicking on the connection icon here. Or by opening a web browser and trying to access a website. If you can't access a website, then your computer's network connection is not working properly. Next, you want to check the printer's connection to the network. Make sure that your printer is turned on and that it is properly connected to the network. You can also try restarting your printer. If your printer and computer are connected to your Wi-Fi network, but you still can't print, you can try connecting your printer to the router with an Ethernet cable. If things start to work, there may be other issues with your Wi-Fi, printers, or Windows. This is a whole other subject for another video. If you've checked your network connections and your printer still isn't working, you should make sure the printer is listed in Devices and Printers. To do this, open the control panel and go to Devices and Printers. Make sure that your printer is listed here. If your printer is not listed, then you need to add it. I'll cover this shortly. Another thing you can check is the print queue. The print queue is a list of all the documents that are currently waiting to be printed. If there are any documents in the print queue, try canceling them and then printing your document again. If your printer is listed in Devices and Printers, but is still not working, you can try running the troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will try to identify and fix any problems with your printer. If you've tried all of these things and your printer is still not working, try shutting down your printer and computer. This will sometimes fix problems with printer connectivity. After about 15 minutes, turn your printer and computer back on and try printing again. If you're still unable to print, then you may need to reinstall your printer. To do this, uninstall the printer from your computer and then reinstall it using Add Device. Or you can use the install file from the manufacturer's website. Try printing from a different computer. This will help you determine if the problem is with your computer or printer. Make sure that the printer drivers are up to date. You can download the latest drivers from the printer manufacturer's website like I showed you earlier. If you're still having trouble, you can contact your printer manufacturer for support. They will be able to help you troubleshoot the problem and find a solution. I hope this has helped you fix your printer connectivity issues. If you've tried everything and you're still having trouble, you can contact a pro for more help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.